Biafrans want to go, Biafra wants to go. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Have 5 of your states in this country. Lead by example. Leave those shops of yours, leave those buildings of yours. Go back to your state and start developing it. If you are serious. Develop your state, develop your political system. Stand today and get people in the House of Representatives who would hear your voice and see if every Nigerian will not let you go. What benefit are you to us? You only leech on us in this country. We from the northern Nigeria can boldly say we have gained something from the southwestern part of Nigeria and the south-south. We collectively, Dangote today is established in northern middle belt of this country in Kogi State, and it's also established in Lagos. That is mutual benefit. When it comes to political movement, we from the north unite. Even when Tinubu's people did not vote him, the northerners vote until Tinubu could find himself in power today. We allow the people from the north, from the south, to come to our state and invest freely. We allow them for growth. Of course, we do have conflicts once in a while, but the fact and the statistics of reality is here. Come and see them all over our places. Doing fine, doing well, establishing themselves, houses, schools, and all that. People from the southwest. We provide food. We provide food. We are the leaders in terms of agriculture in this nation. We provide food and we take it to the west. And the south, majority of the food that's consumed in this nation comes from north. I want to ask a question. What is you people's benefit? What is it about you that if you go today, we're going to miss? What is it about you we're going to miss? Is it your importation business that involves so much exploitation? Is that what a Hausa man cannot do or a Yoruba man cannot do? I want to ask you a question. Do you have oil? You don't. It is the south and the Niger Delta area that have oil. And they don't even give us headache like the way you do. They cooperate with us. They do everything with us. What is you people's problem? What you talk about because your resources. What resources do you have? You've been leeching off of everyone. If the Yorubas are talking, if the Niger Deltas are talking, yes, we can hear, but not you guys. What do you have to offer to Nigeria that we cannot offer ourselves? Okay, let's say we feed this country, yes, because of our flat lands, because of our agricultural prowess. You decide, okay, we'll stop feeding, we are going to feed the rest of the country. Can you do that? Can you, for example, do what the Yorubas are doing? Can you give us what the Yorubas are giving us? What are you giving us except what destroys our economy, which is importation? What are you giving us? So what's actually your pride? What is it? Because you have not found somebody who tells you the truth. What is your pride in this country? What is your pride? The fact that you leech off other people? The fact that we allow you to buy lands in our areas? Allow you to establish businesses that you grow out of it? And yet you're even too afraid to go back to your states. And yet you keep making noise every single day. If you are proud of who you are, start making your move now. Start making your move now. It's not about just disturbing everybody with noise and making fun up and down the place. See, it's about to go down. It's getting more serious every day. It's getting more serious every day. If you think you're going to creep up into the division of this country, we've gotten to know who you guys truly are. We're going to deal with it. We might not be able to deal with America fully, but you see those ones at home. You are an assignment we have put in our front.
Aisha Kawajia. I've been seeing the videos of this particular Hausa woman flying all over social media. The level of bitterness engraved in the heart of this woman cannot be explained. The bitterness she has for the Igbos. And one of the reasons for this recent bitterness and anger and rage is that, you know, they have blamed the Igbos, that they are the ones pushing the propaganda, inviting Trump to Nigeria and pushing this Christian genocide propaganda. They are the ones that wrote a letter to America. They are the ones probably causing the chaos right now and the division. Everything, of course, you know, they will always put the blame on those people where they put blames on. But we are not even perturbed. We are not moved. We are not shaken. It's something that they have been throwing at us over the years, and we have been chesting it. This one will not be an exception. This Aisha lady is telling the Igbos that you have been calling for Biafra, Biafra, you want to go Biafra. You people should go. Call your legislators. Tell them to start pushing in the House of Assembly that we need our own country. We want to secede from Nigeria. Because we are not important to them. There is no benefit. They are not gaining anything from us as Igbos. That as Hausa, they are gaining a lot from Yorubas. They are getting a lot from South, now where oil they, now where then they take oil. They are gaining a lot from Igala. They are gaining a lot from other tribes. What are they gaining from the Igbos? Nothing. Is it not importation? She even said they will start importation in the other video. That they will have to start doing those things. That business with Igbos they do. Yoruba businessmen and Hausa businessmen will have to stand up and start doing those things where Igbos they do for Nigeria. And we must let them go because they are the real enemies of Nigeria. That is why I say it is good for us to correct some wrong narrative. The way they are sounding, they are making it look like we are interested in Nigeria, we like Nigeria. That we are still littered all over Nigeria, building houses, they give us shop in the north, in Lagos, we're even claiming Lagos. That why is it difficult for us to go back to our place and continue our country, since we say we don't want to be part of Nigeria, and them don't even want us again. Going by waiting this bitter Aisha woman talk. If you say you don't need the Igbos in Nigeria, why did the General Yakubu Gowon? Why did he fight a war that lasted for 3 years when Ojukwu succeeded, when Ojukwu declared Biafra in 1967? If we are not that important, if we are, you can do without us. Why did you fight tooth and nail? Why were you people sweating in the 1967 Civil War? Why did Awolowo even have to bring an idea for Gowon when they must have fought the war? Now they say these people are not ready to succumb. They are not ready to retreat. Neither are they going to surrender to Nigeria. Biafrans were not ready to surrender to Nigeria. Why did Awolowo now bring out this idea that you have to starve them? If you starve them, they will stop. This war will just end. Why did they bring that starvation during the war? You don't want the Igbos. You don't want the Igbos in Nigeria. The Igbos tried to leave Nigeria. You fought back with everything you have, even starved children, just because you want to unite back. Now, after more than 40 years, we had Uwazurike that said, okay, we also will have to leave Nigeria. They never still treat us well after the Civil War. Una still say, no, you will stay with us. The Kanu still came out after Uwazurike. No, we want Biafra, we want Biafra. We must go, we must go. We can't be part of you. You still carry him. No, we have to lock them. You even did a lot of things in the southeast because they said they want to leave Nigeria. You don't want them to leave Nigeria. You have been arresting their leaders. So I'm trying to understand. If we not get need, if there is nothing you people are benefiting, why are your leaders, why are the northerners bent on not allowing Biafrans to live? You can't do without Igbos. You can't do without us. You people are too coward. Your leaders are cowardly inclined that they can't even come out and say, of a truth, we can't do without the Igbos. If you can do without us, it's a simple thing. You have Tinubu writing at the end of affairs. You have Tinubu sitting as the president of Nigeria. And somehow, Tinubu, Yoruba and Hausa, they eat for the same plate. You can tell them, discuss, tell your leaders, please, you have to tell Tinubu, let us just allow the Igbos to go so that we will have Yoruba and Hausa country. Any other tribe who want to join us can stay with us, but please, we will allow the Igbos to go. You have the right to do it now. The vice president of Nigeria is Hausa man, a Kanu man. He's also a Fulani man. The president of Nigeria is a Yoruba man, and according to this Hausa Aisha woman, she said that Yoruba and Hausa, they are in a very good relationship. That the enemy here is Igbo. Yoruba is giving them something. South, which is all those in Niger Delta, they are giving them oil. And them, they give Nigeria food. According to her, they have the land, and then they produce all the food where Nigerians they eat. We accept. Now we say we want to go. Even if our legislatures cannot do it, because you guys are tired of us, because you people cannot accommodate us anymore, because you guys are fed up of us, you have to go to Tinubu. Call your leaders, call Shettima, call all those the cabals who wanna get there. We cannot contend with these Igbos again. Please let us allow them to go. It's as simple as ABCD, and the matter go close. How can you sit down and be we don't want them? Oil is Niger Delta oil. We don't want the oil in the south. The south oil, it don't benefit the people waiting for south. The truth is that we don't even want to be part of terrorists. We don't want to be part of people that are hypocritical in nature. We don't want to be part of people that are snitchers. We don't want to be part of people that don't even want. The truth is that both Yoruba and Hausa don't want to make Nigeria move forward. You guys are enemies of Nigeria and I don't want anything good to come out of Nigeria. And we can't even stay in a country with the people that does not like development. Like that whenever they see development, they see it as something that is awkward, something that shouldn't happen. Development, they fear Una. Una don't like development. Una don't like to succeed. But we like to succeed. We like anywhere where we go. Maybe they see progression. We can't be counting 1 every day. We like to count 2, 4, 5. We even like to jump to 50. That is how progressive we are. But we not like to stay static. We not like to the answer sa every time. We don't like slavery. But you guys have embraced slavery with your full chest. Aisha Ajia, tell the president of Nigeria where we wanna vote for according to you. Let them sit down now, right now, or you still have the time. But there's this point you raise. You say it's about to go down. I think that's even the major point. It's about to go down. We might not be able to deal with America fully, but you see those ones at home. You are an assignment we have to put in our front. That's a threat. Now, threat, you threaten Igbos, but I can assure you that you will not do nothing. Over the phone, gonna those days where we go do something. Oh, let's leave them. Now we are in the era of self-defense. Igbo 1, Igbo 100. Now so we there now. Mbano now. Gonna those days where you go say, oh, we will deal with them. We will deal with them. We go do this to them. Now, email 1 will do 10. If you do, we don't even want to stay with you people. We don't want to stay with people where prosperity they purge them. Prosperity they purge you na we be Hausa. Many of you Yoruba, una no want progress. Una no want to end the terrorism. Una no want make terrorism end. But now they cry pass of hunger, and now they see they affect more. So it is good that this lady now, I don't know whether her husband don't marry another. You know, say for Hausa, once their husband marry another wife against their wish, do you see them start getting angry, foaming? Now many of them they buy their husbands. So all these are Hausa women. Idea check now. They get too much anger in them. So once that anger is too much, they will start looking for who they will use as an scapegoat. But you know we are too big for you to use that as an scapegoat. We are bigger in all ramification. Una they do something like you now una get to Nigeria, now una get to Nigeria. What do you una get? What have you people given to Nigeria if not terrorism? Why is America coming to come and intervene? Is it not your terrorism where una they groom for not? Is it not the Almajiri where not they go school? More than how many million children out of school? What have you given to us? What do you don't give us? What have we benefited? Nothing. We don't even want to be part of you guys because you don't get us. We take resemble. Do I look like a Hausa person? Almajiri? Do I look like somebody where they do Babi Allah? We look alike. We they speak the same language. You they chop to one masara. Me I they chop apple with ofo nubu. Ya no ofo ha no ofen sala. You they chop awara. Me I have my own snacks. I they eat okpa. We're not the same people. We don't even we don't have anything in common. You have the time now to start calling your leaders. Tell them what they should start doing. Let them remove us from Nigeria map. We want to be on our own. We want to develop our place. There is no reason why we should be part of our way. Because Nigeria is now a disgraced country according to Donald Trump. And everybody has accepted that Nigeria is a disgraced country under Tinubu-Shettima, under Muhammadu Buhari. Una destroy Nigeria, can't they look for who una go put up on her head? For their head, una they craze. Go and tell your leaders that we are tired of una Almajiri. We don't want you guys again. We're tired of your terrorism. We're tired of you people sympathizing and defending and even funding terrorism where they take una every day. Look at this bitter, dirty, filthy Almajiri Hausa woman. Where we feed there for inside Kure. Do you have job? You have nothing to do. Not for Kure, then keep you. After you go into Arabic school, maybe you don't get opportunity to go primary school and stop for SS1. You now learn how to speak with AI. Then you try to cut your videos to make it, edit it very fast. Make you look like say you get something upstairs, like you have brain. You've got nothing there. The brain is completely empty. Tabrarasa, to say the least. You've got nothing upstairs. You are a typical Ajia where they put for Kure. When your husband go wake up, say they marry second wife, third wife, fourth wife, and you've got nothing to say about it. You're a slave. And we refuse slavery in 2025. We refuse slavery in this dispensation. Look at Hausa dirty Hausa Almajiri woman coming to put them out for Igbo. Importers and can you import? Do you have all it takes? Do you have money? Your Northerners, your Alhaji Northerners are milking them in the south. They are milking south oil, Ejo oil, Bayelsa oil. Go there and see how dilapidated that place is. All thanks to the Alhaji. And I don't even blame them. I blame those docile Ijo men, lazy Ijo men, where no one speak up for their right. Alhaji, they suck your oil. You they move around, they shout Asawana, Asahe, Asahe. So Ajia, you said that it's about to go down. We are waiting for you to go down. On your walls of paper. Anybody will run in Papa. It's about to go down. You want to scare us? During the war, we no get the country where give us ammunition. We there for our place, raw obu ni igwe. You know what in be obu ni igwe? Now in be bomb. Obu ni igwe. Only obu ni igwe. Lele. People will not get history. Come on, get out also so you dirty Ajia. Come on, go cook to Masara and me and cook for Alaji. They wait for you for the other room. If you finish it, what's that your boy? Come on, go and cook. Go and cook to Masara and me and cook for Alaji. Come on, this space is not for you. Go and tell your leaders we are not interested in you people. We don't want to be part of Nigeria. We've said it long time.